You know, there are homes that impress you, and then there are homes that completely reset your understanding of what luxury even means. The moment you arrive here in Malibu, the ocean air feels different. The light hits differently, everything slows down, and then this property comes into view, stretching wide along the coastline like it was carved directly from the cliffs themselves. This is a $74,800,000 newly constructed Malibu mansion, and without exaggeration, it stands among the greatest homes ever built anywhere in the world. As you pull up to the private gated entrance, the first thing that hits you is the scale. Not just size, but intention. Every line, every angle, every material feels deliberate. The architecture is bold but calm, modern yet timeless, designed to disappear into the landscape while simultaneously dominating it. Massive walls of glass reflect the Pacific Ocean, the sky, and the palm trees, making it almost impossible to tell where nature ends and the home begins. Walking through the front door, there's a moment of silence that almost feels ceremonial. The ceilings soar overhead, seemingly floating, while natural light floods the interior from every direction. The ocean greets you instantly, framed perfectly through floor, ceiling glass, as if the Pacific itself is part of the decor. There's no need for artwork here, the view does all the work. The main living space unfolds in a way that feels effortless. It's open, expansive, and perfectly balanced. Soft stone floors stretch beneath your feet. Warm wood accents soften the modern lines, and custom lighting quietly highlights architectural details without demanding attention. This room was designed for moments both grand and intimate, whether you're hosting world-class events or enjoying a quiet evening as the sun melts into the horizon. The living area flows seamlessly into the dining space, where a long, sculptural table sits beneath a statement light fixture that feels more like an art installation than a chandelier. From here, glass doors slide away completely, erasing the boundary between inside and outside. Suddenly, the ocean breeze moves freely through the space, carrying the sound of waves crashing below. The kitchen is nothing short of extraordinary. It's sleek, refined, and incredibly functional, built for both Michelin-level chefs and effortless everyday living. Custom cabinetry hides professional-grade appliances, stone countertops feel smooth and cool to the touch, and a massive island anchors the room, perfect for casual breakfasts or evening cocktails. Every detail is precise, every finish flawless. This is a kitchen designed not just to be seen, but to be used. Just beyond, a secondary catering kitchen ensures that large gatherings remain seamless and private, allowing staff to operate invisibly while the main space stays immaculate. It's one of those details that quietly separates good luxury from truly elite living. Moving deeper into the home, a floating staircase becomes a sculptural centerpiece. Each step appears to hover in midair, framed by glass railings that preserve uninterrupted views of the ocean. As you ascend, the perspective changes, revealing new angles of the coastline, the sky, and the infinity edge pool stretching endlessly toward the horizon. The primary suite is, quite simply, a masterpiece. Entering this space feels like stepping into a private luxury resort. The bedroom itself is expansive yet serene, with a minimalist design that allows the ocean to remain the star. Floor, ceiling glass wraps around the room, offering panoramic views that stretch from sunrise to sunset. Waking up here doesn't feel real. It feels cinematic. The primary bathroom rivals the world's most exclusive spas. A freestanding soaking tub sits perfectly positioned to overlook the Pacific, while a massive walk-in shower, wrapped in stone and glass, feels both dramatic and calming. Dual vanities crafted from natural materials provide both beauty and function, and every fixture feels solid, precise, and indulgent. The custom walk-in closet, it is a fashion lover's dream. Designed more like a high-end boutique than a storage space, It features built-in lighting, glass display cases, and enough room to showcase an entire designer collection with elegance and ease. Additional guest suites throughout the home maintain the same level of luxury. Each bedroom offers ocean views, private terraces, and spa-like bathrooms, ensuring that every guest experiences the home as a destination, not just a place to sleep. No one here ever feels secondary. Every space matters. Entertainment takes center stage on the lower level, where a state-of-the-art home theater delivers a cinematic experience that rivals Hollywood screening rooms. Plush seating, perfect acoustics, and advanced projection technology create an immersive environment that transforms movie nights into unforgettable events. Nearby, a private wine cellar serves as both storage and showpiece. Temperature, controlled and beautifully lit. It's designed to display an extensive collection while offering an intimate tasting environment for friends and collectors alike. Fitness and wellness are elevated to another level with a private gym overlooking the ocean. Floor-to-ceiling glass ensures that workouts are powered by natural light and endless views, while a dedicated yoga and meditation space invites calm and balance into daily life. Step outside, and the property truly reveals its soul. The outdoor living areas are nothing short of spectacular. An expansive infinity pool appears to pour directly into the Pacific, blurring the line between water and sky. Sun loungers line the deck, perfectly positioned for soaking in Malibu's legendary sunsets. Multiple outdoor lounges offer different moods throughout the day. One space invites lively gatherings with plush seating and a fire feature, while another offers quiet reflection, tucked away and framed by landscaping that provides privacy without obstructing views. The outdoor kitchen and dining area are fully equipped for large-scale entertaining. A built-in grill, pizza oven, bar seating, and dining space allow you to host unforgettable nights under the stars, with the sound of waves providing a natural soundtrack. As evening falls, the home transforms. Architectural lighting softly illuminates pathways, walls, and terraces, creating a warm, inviting glow that contrasts beautifully with the deep blues of the ocean and sky. The entire property feels alive, breathing with the rhythm of the coast. What makes this mansion truly exceptional isn't just its size, its price, or its location. It's the way everything works together. Architecture, design, technology, and nature exist in perfect harmony. Smart home systems control lighting, climate, security, and entertainment with effortless precision, ensuring comfort without intrusion. Privacy here is absolute. Set on one of Malibu's most coveted stretches of coastline, the home offers a rare combination of seclusion and accessibility. You're minutes from world-class dining, shopping, and beaches, yet when you're here, it feels like your own private world. This is a home designed for legacy, for moments that will be remembered, for mornings watching dolphins glide through the waves below, and evenings spent with friends as the sky turns gold and then deep blue. It's a place where time slows, where luxury feels natural, and where every detail has been crafted to perfection. At $74,800,000, this newly constructed Malibu mansion isn't just a residence. It's a statement, a once-in-a-generation opportunity to own something truly extraordinary. Homes like this are rarely built and even more rarely offered. This is not just one of Malibu's greatest homes. It is one of the world's greatest homes.